Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting this channel. Today I have taken a IMO shortlisted question. Suppose A, B, C, D are positive real numbers satisfying A plus C multiplies B plus D equals to AC plus BD. Find the smallest possible value of S equals to A over B plus B over C plus C over D plus D over A. So this question I'll prove using arithmetic and geometric mean concept. We know that arithmetic mean of numbers is greater than equals to geometric. They are geometric mean. So here first I am taking A by B one number and C by D another number. Since they are positive real numbers, I can apply this concept. What is it? A over B plus B C over D is greater than equals to A over B into C over D and their square root, and this arithmetic mean is divided by 2. So this implies that A over B plus C over D is greater than equals to twice AC over BD. Now in the same way, then I took A by B, C by D, I'll take this one now. So B over C plus D over A, I can write this is greater than equals to twice BD over AC. Now we'll add these two because S equals to A by B plus B by C plus C by D plus D by E D by A. This is same as your A by B plus C by D plus B by C plus D by A. This is greater than equals to twice AC by BD plus twice BD by AC. So S greater than equals to 2, taking common, I'll get, if we take this simplification, it will be AC plus BD by square root of ABCD. Now it is given that AC plus BD equals to A plus C into B plus D. So S is greater than equals to twice, this is your A plus C into B plus D whole by square root A, B, C, D. Or I can write this as equals to arranging twice A plus C by square root of AC and multiplies B plus D by square root BD. Now again we'll apply for arithmetic geometric mean. A plus C by 2 is greater than equals to square root AC, or A plus C by 2 is greater than equals to twice, this is by square root AC I mean, and your B plus D over square root B plus D is greater than equals to 2. Now replacing this as 2 and 2, I'll get S is greater than equals to 2 multiplies 2 multiplies 2. So S is greater than equals to 8. So minimum value of S equals to A by B plus B by C plus C by D plus D by A is 5, 8. So can you think of when S equals to 8? Yes, when A equals to C and B equals to D, equality holds. So you can try to prove it. And what is the value of A, C, B, D at that time? Thank you for watching.